Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday, 17th April 2025. I'm sitting in the small garden. I just finished my sugarcane juice. I had walks in the small garden. I visited the church, had my appam, and then I came here. Went home, got my tumbler. This is my copper tumbler. The heat is so much that all the food items whatever we prepare gets spoiled very soon. So if anybody is eating street food in India, in Mumbai at the moment, let me tell you one thing, that whatever is the first batch when they prepare and get at 7 o'clock, please eat that. Anything after that is, and avoid tea and coffee if you all can. Avoid drinking tea and coffee because it is so damn hot. I myself has quit. Only sometimes when I meet Prakash uncle, I will have with him in Bharti restaurant cutting. But I cutting मेरे लिए कम पड़ती थी तो I says I'll have one more cup. There's generally just cutting half that way. So last week I had with him. I had with him twice. Yeah, I had twice with him. Otherwise, I've stopped having chai, even herbal tea because it's very hot. So I only drink a lot. I drink lots of water. Like I begin my day with the lime water and then sugarcane juice. As much water I can have water because I don't eat much. And yesterday I had biryani, so I'm not going to like hog anything today. I'll keep myself free. And look, check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Okay, now let me. I should not be starting this on a bad note, but on in my building, the wing which I stayed, the wing on that first floor, many years ago, maybe 25 years ago, a lady committed suicide uh, um, by hang by taking a rope to the fan. You know, वो बोलते ना, by hanging. Okay. Now I should not be saying this. This is like a secretive thing, right? Not many people know this. Not supposed to be knowing and talking about this. Now that particular house, I don't know, was purchased by somebody else, some Catholic lady or something, and it was locked for 18 years. 18 years that house was locked. There were no repairs done, nothing done to it. This year that lady renovated that house. Okay, she renovated that house, and then what happened is that um, when she renovated that house, she gave it away on rent. Within 1 month, people have run away from it because there were kids in that house, and in that, what happened was they could actually see. They were screaming in the night, like they could see somebody hanging from the fan by the rope. So this is a fact. Paranormal activities happen, so don't take it for granted. And I used to always feel that this place is very negative. My building is a very negative place. I hope you understand. It can be negative for many reasons because the people who are staying there also are not very, what to say, not very good people in their hearts. So that is one of the reasons also why things happen like that. So that is the reason. I'm just walking down the. Actually, I wanted to do some grass walking. This is a better place for grass walking. See. So paranormal activities are here. So those, and then they left the house within 1 month. They didn't even stay for a month. So in whichever houses you all are going in, you all please see where you all are entering. Now my own house, I was not very happy. I've suffered a lot, and imagine, I've literally suffered a lot every single day in that house. So there's so much of unhappiness because that lady was my woman was always dissatisfied, angry, hostile, manipulative, cunning, evil. So her energies, I told her that even if you die, you'll be like loitering over here, you'll be haunting this house. So that's the reason why I should never touch her things. I used to use her clothes just to make some like kind of a piece with it, and I hope her vibrations are gone by using it and cleaning it, then washing the clothes, drying them in the sun, then keeping back in the this, just I hope you understand. I never had a great relationship. Forget great, it was quite toxic, and it was done on purpose. It was done on purpose. So don't think if it is your blood relative or if it is your mother or a father sibling that you all will be having a great time. No, you have to accept the fact that this is the way it is. When people come and say, yeah man, I feel like wrapping their faces, I said come and stay with her even for 12 hours, you all will come to know. But I have to keep quiet and say thank you so much. I hope you are. I get very irritated when people come and say, but your mother is such a nice bitches. These Catholics need to be put in their place. They and us, they're English speaking. I said first and foremost, तुम लोग की English बराबर है क्या? Just because you are speaking English. Okay, I'm going down the street. So this is a small garden. I'm coming out of the gate. This is a place where I have my sugarcane. It's not the most clean place. India, Bombay, you cannot expect. See, this is the police traffic. He apparently looks better. But they are very fat. This is the newspaper. This is the newspaper. So you can't expect hygiene standards and all. Unless and until when I went to the police camp, I can say that place is the most hygienic juice shop, sugarcane shop. Now you get it just like this. So when Daryl sir was telling me, I said, sir, is there a choice? Because over here everything is like this. Whether it's this person or anybody else, it's the same. See Kantileshwari, I will show you all the Kantileshwari. Behind me, see this is this Udupi restaurant and was meet mall. That Dandiya queen whom I used to meet, I used to say Marwadi lady, जो घाघरा वगैरह पहन के आती है. I see her every morning, when I'm going to the church visit. So she's like, shakes her head. Those who are in the pond park who know me. See, now this is the Bombay Bakes I will show you all. It looks like that is Bombay Bakes, the latest bakery items, and it gets all new stuff. Every time the items are pretty new. See, furnishing. This is a milk center. Let me go home. Or earlier you could not cross this road. This used to be so crowded and congested in the morning, and now it is empty. I don't know if it is happening in your cities or something, but what I'm showing you all is a fact. Things are not that great here. And economy is slowly slipping. Yesterday I went to this, behind the church there is this, for the girls, young girls, the home for the girls who are orphaned, who are single parents. So I was asking, those girls are so well kept, they look so healthy and nice. But by the time they're 18 years old, they're shifted to other homes or they're sent back to their houses. I said whatever they're enjoying over here, good food, good clothes, good education, may God bless them. I said they are very well kept. They look much better than the other kids who live in the houses. So I'm just going home. So I need to wind up right now. अच्छा मेरा कुछ है क्या? नहीं आपका नहीं. अच्छा okay. I better to ask them. ये tang my bell is not ringing. That is such a blessing. I said this is a blessing in disguise that my bell is not ringing. वरना सारी मॉर्निंग में मैं किसी को अब्यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए आई जस्ट कंट्रोल माई टेम्पर. वरना मेरे अंदर की माँ चामुंडा देवी विल कम आउट. ओके गाइज, बाय, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्व्स.